Hello, my name is Ray Lapuz. I teach math here at Cañada, and I've been teaching since 2000. When I first got hired, we got put into this program, we as in a bunch of new hires, not just from our college, but from the whole district. We got put into this program called boot camp. And boot camp was like an intensive new faculty community group that really focused on technologies, emerging technologies back in 2000. And we also were kind of exposed to some teaching and learning practices. One of the things that came out for me from that program, a lot of things, I learned a lot from that program, but one of the things that really came out was an idea of a faculty group getting together and talking about teaching. And I forgot what that particular model was called, but it was essentially like a book club for faculty where you try new things in your class, or maybe you make up a mini lesson and then you present it to your faculty, and then your peer faculty will give you feedback on that particular lesson. So that I saw that model and I thought it was really cool, but then it kind of went away and I didn't get a chance to try it out. And so since then, I've been kind of wanting this idea to get faculty to come together and talk about their teaching that's really focused on teaching. And I know we get together a lot and talk about a lot of other things in a bunch of meetings and stuff, but just to really talk about pedagogy and how you're teaching and what you think might be effective, and learning from each other. A few years ago, we started a community practice for math, and we did lesson plans for a particular subject, which was really, really great. I learned a lot, and but we couldn't find a way to stretch it out to other people aside from our small math group. And so we found this faculty learning program, and we had the grant to be able to start it off. And I think we had a pretty successful first cohort last year, and this year we're on to our second, and it's still running on grants, but we hope to get it institutionalized sometime in the future. But anyways, I'm really excited about this, and I'm really excited about the idea behind FLP, so that we can, freely talk about our classes, about our lesson, about our pedagogy, about interacting with students, and just teaching and learning in general. So I'm excited. All right, from my bag, I dug out these pointers. These are actually just pointers, but I use them as vectors. So one of the things that we study a lot in my classes are vectors. And so these vectors, different colors can represent different vectors, and the vectors have direction and magnitude. And so you have a specific direction and magnitude. If you need to scale the vector, you can lengthen and shorten it. And so I use this a lot in my classes. I have students come and hold this and be the vector, and then other people be vectors, and then we have planes as well, so that people can be planes, can be representatives of planes, and then we get to discuss concepts and ideas with an actual activity instead of just talking about it and drawing pictures on the board. So it's kind of hands-on activity that I like to do. All right. Now, some fun things that I do, or favorite thing, I don't know if it's a favorite, but it's another side thing that I do. I play gamelan. Gamelan is Indonesian music ensemble, and I've been playing since I was in college. And so we have a group here in San Jose that I play with, and we have gigs up and down the peninsula. Our last one was in San Francisco. For the Indonesian consulate. We play down in Santa Cruz. We play a lot in Berkeley, and so it's something fun that I do. And here's a little snippet of it. Here's our website, and our website there's a little video that they have featured, and this video is from Freight and Salvage. It's like a small venue club for musicians and other people, and we got invited there one time to play. So that's about it, and I hope to see other people's videos and get to know you guys at a different level, and participate in some of the meetings that you'll have, and especially next semester when we start doing our peer observations. I think this is when we really get to connect and form communities of practice that really focus and discuss our teaching and learning in our classes. So, okay, I'll see you around.